The non-drill installation kit comes with three pieces. One is the lock that's already attached to one adapter piece. The second is a tie-down anchor that's going to replace the tie-down anchor we're using to attach it to. And the third is a carriage bolt with a nylon nut. Each adapter piece is powder coated for protection from all elements. All you're going to need is a 9/16" socket wrench. Take the prefab tie-down anchor and insert the carriage bolt through the designated opening, and place the bolt through the factory tie-down anchor. This assembly should be installed on the tailgate side of the tie-down anchor. Next, take the lock and the mounting plate and place on the opposite side of the factory tie-down anchor and place the carriage bolt through the opening. This lock should open into the truck bed towards the front of the truck. Thread the 3/8" lock nut onto the carriage bolt from the lock side. Using a 9/16" socket wrench or drill, tighten the lock nut until snug, but do not fully tighten at this stage. Align the unit and fully tighten the lock nut so the assembly is secure and will not shift during use. Once the non-drill unit is installed, open the lock, place the strap through the locking mechanism, and pull tight. Repeat this process on both sides and you are now ready to use the Cargo Valet.